Welcome back. So today we are staying at Hilton Universal Hotel. I am super excited on this one because, well, tomorrow going to Universal Studios and I've never been. Now this is a very nice looking hotel and I'm looking forward to showing you around this one. It looks lovely. The atrium is fantastic. Stayed here last night and slept like an absolute log. But I've got to show you the Hilton Universal City Hotel and yeah, check it out. So let's dive in. So obviously leading with a very cool looking car in that distance, and this is the valet parking loading zone, and then they've got of course the main entrance. Now the good thing about this hotel is that the entrance is only, I think it was like 0.3 miles away, so it's not even that far. But anyway, let's go through the red carpet because yes, we are near Hollywood. Alright, so everyone's doing breakfast at the minute. This is the reception area, and as you can see, the lobby looks pretty awesome. We've got that amazing chandelier and a nice place to kind of just relax, chill. And I don't know if you can see, but there's also a fountain there which looks very nice as well. Obviously you can't go outside, but that looks pretty neat. Now I've said, I've already checked in and I'm staying with 3 others as well, so the room is a little bit messy, a bit chaotic, but I'll show you the room anyway as what it actually looks like after the fact. But yeah, so we've got the gift shop as well, so if you've run out of souvenirs, you can always check this out. I can imagine the prices are going to be a fortune, right? I mean, how much is a bottle of water? And then you've got like the hydro massage, so if you've had a busy day walking around the Universal, you can just go and chill there. And I'm looking forward especially going on all of these rides and the Jurassic Park. Like I said, it's my first time here, super excited. This is the lift, and I got myself a Los Angeles hoodie, if you can check this out, $5, because they were doing a big sale, they're getting rid of everything. So what, £3.80? I don't know, like and subscribe. There's a lobster if you want one. Cool, so greeted by a lift. And I think we, if I remember rightly, we're this way. But the hallways are very nice. All very clean. It's like you're on a ship. Here we go. So as I said, we have stayed here last night, so I appreciate the kind of mess, but we're packing up ready because we're going to do the studio. We're going to go until it closes at 6, and then we're staying somewhere else because the hotel now is £1,000 a night, $1,000, which is insane. We didn't get it for that, so yeah, we're not going to be staying here tonight. So I just want to show you like the realness. Obviously we've stayed in it, but anyway, $12 for a bottle of water, so you can get 2, $24 there. And for a packet of crisps, you're looking at $12. Some caramel popcorn, $12 as well. That is insane. Yeah. But what I did like was this coffee machine. So we had these kind of filter packets, which is really cool because you can just pop them in to the trays here, and basically the trays drip the coffee. Just press that button on the side, fill this with water, turn it to 1 or 2 cups, and happy days. But obviously this is the beds. Okay, we had 2 double beds, which is really nice, very, very comfortable. And here is the view that we've got. So if you look outside, the studios are literally just there. If you can see the Minion, I guess it's the Minion ride. It looks pretty cool, but just there, if you can see it. And then there's this ride, which I can only assume looks like a loop. Either way, I'm very excited because as I've said, I've never gone to a Universal studio. I've been to Disneyland, but not Universal. I love the canvas drawings, like the paintings, they look epic. So we went here the other day as well, the observational tower. Looks awesome. It was an observational observatory. It looks amazing. Nice little hike. It takes about half an hour to get up to the top 600 meters or so. Worth it for the view, very, very worth it. As I said, stayed in last night, had a great sleep, but let's just do the bed test anyway. Oh, very comfortable, very nice. I don't know what it is about Hilton hotels. The sheets and the bed sheets and the duvet, so that's twice now, are very, very nice. It's lovely. And then you've got the adjacent doors, so that door goes through to the other side of the room. I do have a large TV though, which is, again, pretty awesome. We didn't use it. And a fridge, which is just tucked away here and has all our little snacks. So, okay, maybe it doesn't. We still got our juice and a coconut, which we got from a Filipino store. And if you've not tried a baby coconut, or no, new coconut, is it? Easy drink coconut. Yeah, sorry, young coconut. They are insane. So good. So I'd highly get in a young coconut, but you do have to be in like a Filipino store to get those kind of things, I believe, because the other coconut waters just doesn't do the same. But there's plenty of storage, you know, in this big cabinet. Got a table, another lamp. Again, these kind of curtains, they all open up, so you get to see, not a panoramic view, but you do have a big window essentially that you could just see essentially Hollywood. So yeah, Universal, some views over there, Comcast, NBC, Universal. Yeah, cool. So that's the quick tour of the room. I've done some overlays here as well to check out the other things, but oh yeah, this is the wardrobe. It's pretty big. You could literally just kind of walk into it. Walk into a safe rather, but it isn't too bad. You've got the big safe. You've got these coat hangers, which look very nice. They're like shiny. They've been polished. Another towel. I don't think the towel. I think I'll put it there. But yeah, more coat hangers. Ironing board, iron, spare duvet and bed sheets, and an extra bit of storage. Yeah, nice little space. Then we step into the bathroom. So obviously a big mirror, you can wave, like and subscribe. It's very clean, lovely shower curtains, amenities like hair dryers and plenty of towels as well. I love Hilton hotels, I think they're fantastic. You got your soap, you got your kind of cosmetic stuff like earbuds and everything else, just to keep everything kind of clean. And then we have taps, which I thought these were pretty cool. I like the style, very, very cool indeed, and a big thumbs up for me. And we do have some body lotion as well. Everything's on brand, which is really cool. And I love the lighting around the mirror. And we do have, of course, conditioner, shampoo, and a shower gel. All very nice. And you smell really good as well with these. And the shower head was very small, but it was a powerful shower. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Toilet is just like any old standard toilet, but I did like the picture of Hollywood. We went there the other day. Really, really cool. But I think what we'll do now is we'll just have a quick look around. I think, see if there's a gym. I know they're doing breakfast. Can we sneak in? I don't think we'll be able to, but we'll see. We can at least try and check it out. But yeah, I have this weird thing of like, when there's so many rooms, I forget what room I'm in, so I have to take a picture just so I know. Anyway, let's explore. I do like that. That looks really cool. It's a nice little setup. Guide down to Starbucks. Right, number one. Oh, pool. Let's go and check out the pool. May as well check out the pool. On the images online, it looks really cool, so we'll check it out. It's very hot as well. It's been toasty, but this hoodie I like because it's thin, and I'm happy with that. Anyway, let's check out the pool. That looks good. Right, let's find the pool. There you go. Pool. Sales and catering, and then the pool is here. Let's check it out. It's a little bit chilly in the shade. Hey, this is the outside bit. Looks very nice. Sheltered from the sun. So I'm guessing we go this way. Reminds me very much of the hotel I stayed in Croatia, where you had to kind of do a little walk around in the same kind of colours as well. If you've not checked that out, that was a 5-star hotel in, it's a very hard word, it's Savtat. Oh, can't even go that way. that was lovely. So if you haven't checked that out, definitely check it out. Very nice hotel, as is this one, if I can find out how to get in. So the pool is over there. So the pool's over there. It's only not a massive one. Nice palm, nice trees around it as well. Sheltered from the sun, which is always good. Well, that was a gym then, it's not, that's an office. And this looks to be another dead end. Yes, okay. Not gonna lie, it looks like a very small pool. There are some sun lounges and stuff that you can sit in. Yeah, it's pretty cool. I don't know where this goes. Should we go and explore it? Up some stairs. Let's get some steps in the morning. I've not had breakfast yet. I am pretty hungry. Don't tell a lie, I had a mango. There was a very fresh mango as well. We had one from the Philippine store. Oh wow, look at these trees. I don't know if you can see that, but can you see the trees? They're like very spiky, as are the branches. Interesting. You'll have to let me know what kind of trees are they. Are they safe to touch? Let me know in the comments. Yeah, I think we've just gone back around to the entrance. Let's have a look at breakfast. Thank you. So the breakfast stuff is down this way. Okay, so breakfast was $26 for a continental kind of buffet style. I don't think that's too bad, but probably just lay off that one today maybe. Anyway, it shuts at 10 and it's 9:45 now. This elevator is very fast as well, if you can see. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It's just getting its speed up. If you don't feel it, which is good. Also, by the window, we have a little office section just here. I love that chair, so I've been doing some work on here. We bought a lot of water just because of the heat. And of course, my bag is here because we're ready to go. We're checked out basically, or at least we're checking out soon. And then we're going straight to the Universal. So we're going to leave the bags in the lobby and then happy days. But it looks like it's going to be a lovely day. The sun is out and hopefully it's not too busy. So we can actually do a lot of the rides. So that was the Hollywood Hilton Hotel, and honestly it was nice. You know, I did like it. We slept really well, like I said. Breakfast about $26 if you want to go for that. It's continental and it looks pretty good. So yeah, you can just go up as many as you like. You don't get the water included here. This is something that we bought. Funny enough, we didn't have water in the fridge. It was just empty, so we had to put our own stuff in there, unless of course you want to pay $12 for a bottle of water and $12 for a packet of crisps and $12 in popcorn. That's a lot of money. The room itself, very spacious, very nice. Love the big window. I think it's a nice view. You've got the mountains in the background. It's very, very nice. And this chair is lovely as well. I may have to get one of myself for home. Overall, the stay was really nice, and you are very close to the vicinity as well. Literally, I can see it there. We just need to work out where the entrance is, whether they, whether they're going to pick us up from the hotel or we can just kind of like walk there. We'll find out. It opens at 10, so we're leaving this one quite thin because we've got 15 minutes until opening. I don't know how big the queues are, so hopefully not too manic. Let's just say that. Now, I would say the price of the hotel in terms of how much we got it for, but we were fortunate enough that we obviously someone knows someone here and we were allowed a little bit of a discount, so that's why. But normally this hotel as it is today is something over $1,000 per night, which is insane. So I'm very thankful that we've not paid that at all. We paid, I think it was like $64 each or something. Pretty crazy. But anyway, like and subscribe if you like this video. Next one I'm hoping to be either in Blackpool, worst rated hotel, or perhaps on another sleeper train in Oslo. I'm not too sure. But I will see you on the next one. Take care of yourself.